The invisible forces behind success. I remember during my initial days of MBA, I met a person. He was extremely flamboyant. I mean, he could speak well. He had knowledge of almost all topic. You name a topic, you discuss something, and he will be able to express something on it. But he would rarely participate. When he did not participate in any of the events, did not take any of the opportunities. At the end of 2 semesters, I went to him and I asked him, "Hey, why don't you take leadership positions or important responsibilities of what is happening in our campus?" He smiled at me, and what he answered remained with me for a long time, and it shook me also. He said, "I am not that good. I don't think I can do it. If these responsibilities are given to me, I don't think I'll be able to perform." On the other hand, there was another guy who was extremely ordinary, not just ordinary, but you can say below ordinary from various standards. His communication was ordinary. He could hardly speak a sentence without taking pauses. If you would ask or take a quiz, he would probably fail in most of them. But he would participate and he would continue to grow. Now, what is the difference between these two individuals? Most of the times when we think, we feel that the limitation is because of the resources like money or experiences or opportunities or luck, but it's rarely dependent on those. What matters the most is what goes inside our mind, and that is what we call as mindset. This is the mindset which whispers, you can, you can't, you deserve, you don't. So I created this series on mindset where I can share different varieties of mindset, that what mindset we have right now and what we can inculcate in our life, what we can develop in our life, so that we can start performing at the optimal level in all the areas. So in this series, I'll be discussing various mindset. But before I go ahead, I would like to ask this question to you. Are you ready to upgrade the most important and valuable system that you own, your mindset? If the answer is yes, let's begin the journey. Subscribe, not for motivation, but for transformation.